guys, welcome to this video. We are about to unbox, you're gonna see these later, a very special box of Christmas goodies from Jonas's mom, and we're gonna be talking about differences between American and German Christmas.
Can't wait.
So we're gonna jump in. Like, you guys are so weird about everything. Everyone else is like the same, and then you guys are the only ones.
Very, very traditional when it comes to those things, yeah.
Yeah, very traditional.
Yep.
Wait, I forgot though, you celebrate Christmas on the 24th.
Yeah.
Christmas is on the 25th.
And then on the 25th, and then on the 26th.
Yeah, that's super different. And you open your presents on the nighttime or something.
Yeah, in the evening.
They do that in France too, so I'm not unfamiliar with it, but definitely in America, it's like the 25th, December 25th, you wake up at like 4 a.m. and you tear open your presents. But it seems like Germans do it at night. Is it like more structured though, or do the kids just go wild?
No, the kids go wild.
Alright, that's the same. Then after that, we figured that Christmas decorations are really different, and before I ever went to even like London or Germany in Christmas time, I would have said that American Christmas decorations are the best. They're like bright red and they're bright green and they're sparkly and there's like lights everywhere and there's like just Santa Clauses everywhere. But it's mostly just like lots of like flashing lights and red and green everything. And when I first went to Germany and I saw like Christmas time decorations, and even when we were living in London, it was similar. They seemed really boring to me. But Germans take it really seriously. I'm not trying to be...
No, I think it's more like European. It's very traditional.
Yeah.
We have those handmade wooden figures around the house, and we have those nice lights sitting on top of it. Those wooden figures, it looks something like that. My mom said
we got some.
In Germany. It's like really handmade, especially
they are very sweet.
Those small Christmas trees. I mean, look how, I don't know if you can see it, but look how fine they are.
It's a little house.
Yeah. So those things are all over the house, like nutcrackers, etc.
But so I will say that I think that Germans take decorations like seriously in a weird way.
I mean,
because
it's big. Yeah, I mean, it's the whole December we really
but
decorate
they're all
the house.
brown.
Yeah.
They're mostly brown, and they are handmade. But like, so when you first come into a German house on Christmas time, you look around and there's just like a couple of brown like figurines everywhere,
Right.
and you're like, what's the significance of that? But I guess it's like historic.
The big difference is also we keep it inside the house, while in America, everything is outside the house.
Yeah, you want to like show off. There are entire stores
Totally.
dedicated to like handmade figurines, and like there's all these little men that are like smoking their pipes, and like smoke comes out.
Yeah, you can put like a piece of coal in it, and you light it up basically, and then the smoke comes out, and it smells really good.
Yeah, it's like a Christmas smell,
Right.
I guess. But so you will not understand the significance of these things, but they are like handmade, and I'm sure that people work the whole year to make them.
Oh, those shops are open all year round, so you can
They
actually
actually are,
go
that's
in
true.
July and buy like the Christmas decoration.
Which is crazy. So yeah, decorations, if you haven't been to Germany and you're not familiar with it, it's definitely, I would say, from my experience, the most unique, I guess, of the like Western European Christmas like celebrations with decorations. Because
Totally.
London is similar to America. It's a lot of lights. France, they don't do much.
They do. I mean,
But it's not like Germany, and Germany has this whole decoration culture
Totally.
that's like all its own. Germany's obsessed with being like, just being like whatever. Like, you guys are so weird about everything. Everyone else is like the same, and then you guys are the only ones.
Very, very traditional when it comes to those things. Yeah.
Yeah, very traditional.
Yep.
Stick to the tradition.
Yeah.
Don't change a winning team.
Never change a winning team. Yeah.
Kind of like playing off of the decorations is there's these German Christmas markets, which are amazing. You literally, they're open for like, I think all of December and all of January, so it kind of like pulls after Christmas, which is fun. But literally it's like these open air markets where everyone is selling like hot wine full of like alcohol, and you can like get really drunk and wander through and like buy your little figurines, although most people already have them at that time except for tourists, I'm sure. And you buy like food. What's the like German like foods or stuff that you can buy? I can't even think of it at the Christmas markets.
Or you can buy like sausage. Right?
Yeah,
It's very
obviously.
traditional.
And like potatoes and stuff.
Potatoes in
There's sweet
various
stuff,
variations.
too.
There's a lot of sweet stuff.
Yeah.
Like roasted almonds.
But I'm gonna put a picture of a Christmas market here.
Right there.
It's amazing. I'm like hiding it
Yeah.
so that it's still
The
there.
Christmas markets are a major attraction in Germany for Germans and for internationals.
And that's the most important thing.
Yeah, it gives you that like Christmas feeling, the food, the smell, the mulled wine.
Yeah.
It just leads up to Christmas. We start usually, I think, the first or the last week of November. A lot of Christmas markets open up, and then it goes till the end of the year. Some Christmas markets, not all of them, go into the new year, but it's really fun. Lots of alcohol, lots of food, lots of Christmas decoration stuff you can buy.
Yeah.
Usually
There's music too.
There's
playing.
music,
It's
really
so
Christmas
much
music,
fun.
yeah.
It is so much fun, and everyone gets bundled up. And
Totally.
like, I am a really cold person. I hate being cold, and I'm always cold. But like, they just pump you full of this hot wine.
Totally. It's
just
really
like
fun.
pump
It's
you
really
full of it, and then you're like warm the whole night, and you're like wandering around. It is so fun. We don't have anything like that in America. I think like the closest thing that we have to that is like Christmas shopping.
right, but you're also not allowed to drink alcohol in public, which is a big part of it.
Yeah.
Right? Because those Christmas markets, it's, I would say,
New York has a big
70%,
Christmas market.
yeah.
Christmas market
Right.
at like that park at Bryant Park. So if you've been there, that's like 1%. I was gonna say 10%. It's 1%
Yeah.
of like the German Christmas market.
But the Christmas market, it's a big drinking culture, so.
Does Germany have any culture that's not a drinking culture? Do you have any celebration that's not a drinking culture?
No, it's Oktoberfest is drinking. Christmas market is drinking.
Do you have a spring festival?
Yeah.
That's gonna be a whole separate video. Stay tuned.
We have spring festivals. It's probably about wine. I don't know.
Really?
I don't know. I have to do
No.
some due diligence on that.
And then the last thing that I think is the big last difference between German Christmas and American Christmas, and you can leave a comment below if you think that we missed something, but I think the last big difference is the food, and we're gonna get into the box. In America, I don't even know. Maybe I'm like not that American, but I don't even know what food we have for Christmas time. I would say anything that's like red and green. Like there's nothing specifically for Christmas. You can make anything Christmas if you make it red and green, I think.
Yeah, well, in Germany, it's again one of those things that leads up to Christmas. It's a lot of homemade cookies, baking in the kitchen with your
Yeah.
mom and friends, and you make various kinds of cookies that are really yummy that you can then eat on those Advents, on those Sundays.
But you also once told me that you have some cookies that are like only for Christmas time. And I remember I asked once because I liked them, and it was like summertime in Germany, and I was like, where are those little white cookies? And Jonas got really upset. He was like, Christmas cookies? And I was like, yeah, they're like white, and we got them, and
Yeah.
they're like powdery. And he's like, those are Christmas cookies. You can't eat them now. We
Yeah,
don't
well,
even make them. And I was like,
Cookies, homemade cookies, and baking cookies is really something you do only like 6 weeks, 7 weeks.
So you don't bake cookies in
leading-
the summer?
No.
What if you want like a cookie?
You don't bake cookies in the summer. You buy them maybe at a supermarket, but those really homemade cookies, they're only for Christmas.
You
And in
guys are
general,
crazy.
German food is very seasonal, but those specific cookies, they're just for Christmas. And we're gonna do it this year. We're gonna probably do another video of how we bake German cookies.
We are at home.
Yep.
Do you want to open the box?
Stay tuned for that. Let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, we are gonna open this box. It's huge. Wait, let's show how big it is. Hang on.
It basically goes into the whole frame of the camera. It's the box. It's filled with goodies. Okay, what's in here? Let's start with a chocolate ball.
These, by the way, are not a Christmas chocolate.
It's not a Christmas chocolate. It's more like a chocolate. It's my favorite chocolate.
It's his favorite. His mom
Right.
put 2 bags in, and
They're gone.
he ate them in 2 days.
Inhaled
So,
them.
first of all, Jonas's mom, if you were watching this, next time just send a box of like 20 or 30 of
No,
these
don't,
bags.
don't. I have to eat them.
He ate them so fast.
Yeah.
But so this is not technically Christmas. Now we're getting into Christmas stuff.
Great. So she put a lot of cookies in here. Let's start with the most famous one, that is probably gingerbread. And gingerbread is something we really eat during Christmas and only during the Christmas time. So probably you wouldn't see that anyone puts out gingerbread in the summer. That's just not something we do. Those are from Nuremberg. That is in Bavaria. It's about an hour and a half north of Munich. It's also a really nice town for the whole Christmas stuff we just described.
Those look good. You know what we should do while you're going? Like 1 out of 10. Let's say you had to rate everything in here 1 out of 10. Just on like the thing. What's this?
That's a 6 for me. I don't really like those gingerbreads.
You gave something you don't like a 6? That's a high rating.
Yeah, well, it's still like everything on Christmas is above 6.
Okay, I understand.
Right?
These look good.
Yeah. What else do we have in here? Oh. Those are just normal cookies with like icing on top of it.
What do they taste like?
It probably tastes like there's some pumpkin spice in it.
Really?
Some nuts. All the Christmas cookies are really nut heavy, which is good. And then some icing on top of it, which looks like snow. That's why you put the white icing on top
These
of
are
it.
so cute. I want to start opening some of these if it's okay.
Okay.
I think the camera wants to see. These are so cute. Look.
Let me try it.
Are they full with milk?
It's gingerbread. And then you can taste the sweet icing on top of it.
It's very soft and sweet.
Yep.
Do you want to finish it or put it back? It's going to be a lot of eating.
Well,
if
don't
you
put
taste
it back. Just leave it out.
Alright.
Okay.
Wait, what do you rate this?
6.5. Then keep going with those.
Those look similar.
They look similar. It's more like if you know Kit Kat. It's similar.
It's a wafer.
Yeah. Has like a waffle top, bottom, then there's some chocolate and milk in it, and another waffle in between.
How is it?
Okay.
10 out of 10. I am very surprised. So are these all Christmas? Like, is this a Christmas cookie?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, I give this a 10 out of 10. What do you rate it?
6.9.
If there are any other Germans in the audience that know the names of these things, let us know, because Jonas just describes everything as a cookie. His description levels are...
Okay, I tried to improve here.
What's that?
That is butter almond. What do you call it?
Oh, it's like speculous. Oh, it's like
Speculous
butter
or
almonds.
speculatius.
Dude, wait, say the German name. What is that?
Butter Monday speculatius.
That's how we're gonna get the audience.
Oh, okay.
You should pick up your accent.
Awesome.
Okay. That
Those are
sounds
really
good.
yummy. Can I open it?
Yeah. Chewing is very loud.
Well, that means I like it.
Mm.
It's really good if you dip it in like milk or your coffee. Really good.
Yeah, I rate these a 9 out of 10.
I rank them at like 9.2. They're really good.
Wow.
Great.
What are
else?
these?
This is just gingerbread.
Oh, I'm not gonna open this.
It's like a big
It's
piece
a
of
huge
gingerbread.
piece of gingerbread.
Yep.
That's nice.
Yep.
Your mom went all out.
Totally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, those are the classics.
Well, let's look at that. What is that?
Looks like coconut.
I don't know.
What name is here? What's this stuff?
Monday Thaler. It's like an almond coin.
Willst du probieren?
Yep. Wow. It's like a basic cookie mix, a lot of butter, almond in it.
Really?
Yep. The almonds are on top of it, so it's a butter mix, and then you have tiny pieces of almond on the top of the cookie.
Those taste like a French cookie to me. I give it a 1 out of 10.
That's a 9 too.
Oh
For
my
me.
god.
Yeah, totally. It's really good.
the last one.
Those are vanilla Hörnchen or vanilla Wipfel. It's a almond butter cookie mix with some vanilla powder on top of it. Those are actually my favorite. I can't wait to see what they taste like.
So when I was in Germany over Christmas time, they made these cookies in like a bunch of different shapes, but it was always this cookie. I recognize it from what it looks like. They make like stars and trees, and this is like a little traditional moon shape. Wait.
10 out of 10.
Is it though?
Yeah.
Can I taste it? I don't eat a lot of butter. That's why I'm not taking big bites. All right, those are the cookies, but then we got a bunch of other random Christmas stuff that I think we should just fly through.
Okay.
What's the first thing?
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 mulled wine spices.
Mulled wine is the hot wine that I was talking about.
Right.
It is very serious in Germany, and yeah. So basically what you do is you heat up red wine, you cook it a little bit, and you put all these spices in, and then you also add more alcohol if you're Jonas.
Don't give too much stuff away.
Okay, fine. We're going to make more videos.
I'm going to make more videos
got
about
this.
mulled wine. Great. What else? She put some yeast in here. I don't know.
Some yeast. But I think it's because we've been
We
making
have
bread.
yeast here, Mom. It's not like we don't have yeast in America. There is
So-
yeast here. So,
Okay.
great. What else?
What's that?
Those are tea bags.
Oh, for the spices.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
good.
really good. So we put the, you will see in the video.
I think the last thing what we should open is just look at these.
Oh yeah.
But it has a little gift. You're supposed to give it away. This
Those
is
are just
similar.
like chocolate figures from Lindt.
Plain chocolate.
Plain
They're very
chocolate.
cute, and this is an example of what I meant by like the German sort of like boringness. In America, these would be fat Santa Clauses in like red and white. These are like little
Those are the
church
angels.
ladies.
Those are angels.
Whatever. They're all white. They're just like plain.
Great. That's it.
That's it. That's our box. So we would love for you to subscribe if you're new here. We hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and learning about the differences between German and American #1 Christmas. I'm kidding. I actually love German Christmas.
We probably have to go over to Germany and spend a Christmas in Germany.
We haven't been there for Christmas
We
Day,
haven't
but
been
we've
for
been there for Christmas time.
Right.
But I agree. I would love to do a German and real Christmas, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below if you have any differences between your culture, Christmas, and American Christmas, or if you know the names of any of these cookies that Jonas didn't know.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for
See you in the
watching.
next video. We did it.